Welcome to week 2, General A&P online students. I wanted to talk a little bit about this week and what to expect. You have your first lecture and lab quizzes due this week. The lecture quiz is due Wednesday by 10 p.m. and the lab quiz is due Tuesday by 10 p.m. So it's really important that everybody understand how to download Respondus Lockdown Browser to take your lecture and lab quizzes. So you have to go to our course here. I'm in Blackboard, but you have to log out. When you log out, you'll see on the very bottom here, toward the bottom, is a small letters, a link to Respondus Lockdown Browser. So if you need this for testing, you have to download this onto your computer. So this is required for our class, so you need to click on that. Once you click on it, you're going to hit Install Now, and it's going to install that. And when you're done installing this, what's going to show up on your desktop is a small little padlock looking icon that looks like this. So you're going to see this on your desktop, and that's what you're going to click on in order to access Blackboard and get online to take our test. So you have to click on this first, then go to Blackboard, and you'll be in Lockdown Browser. So basically this shuts down your computer, doesn't allow you to search online during testing. So it locks down your screen for just our Blackboard course. So you'll click on that. So if I go back to this, sign into our class, let's say I clicked on the Lockdown Browser, I got into Blackboard, then I go to my class, which is Online General A&P, go to the Assignments tab, and you go to our test for week 1. It's in the lecture folder. It's right here at the top. It's broken right now. There's something wrong. There's some type of glitch. I'm going to repair it today. I'm in class, though, until 8 o'clock tonight, so I can't get this fixed until tomorrow. But I just want to let you know, you have time yet. I will repair this. I'm not sure what happened. I tried to add questions to it. It won't let me. There's some type of glitch, and I'm working through it. So I'm trying to create a new one here, but it won't let me add questions, so I'm frustrated with that. I'll get it figured out. But it's important that you have this Respondus Lockdown Browser on your desktop in order to access Blackboard and go into our course and do testing. So that's really important. Another thing is in my video, I talked about using your access code, which is on the inside of your textbook. So if you open up your textbook, there's an access code on the inside cover. You're going to enter that after you go to the Tools menu and click on Pearson's My Lab and Mastering. You're going to go here, and then that's where you're going to register for our class. So you'll go to, well, I'm already in Pearson, so it doesn't show me the registration process, but you'll see a link here that's going to direct you to our class. So it's really important that you watch the videos that I post on how to navigate our course, and that you really read the directions within the folders on what to do. I'm getting a lot of emails from students that have not watched my videos, have not read the directions, and it's overloading my inbox. So some of you have legitimate questions, so definitely keep them coming. I'm not saying that, but I'm getting some questions that are not related to our class, and people aren't looking at the videos and the resources I put out there. So be sure that you're taking the time to do that, because it's very self-explanatory once you watch my video and read the directions that I provide. Like here I have a specific handout on how to register your access code from your textbook for the Pearson homework. And I see some people are doing well. You're working through the assignments, you're doing the homework. That's fantastic. Keep up the hard work. And if you have questions, let me know. But do know that on Mondays and Wednesdays, I'm in class from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. I just got online here. I have class in 4 minutes. So I wanted to quickly throw this video out there to help some of you that are wondering why I'm not responding. I'm trying to get to some of your emails, but it's just difficult because I'm in class all day. So work on getting the Respondus Lockdown Browser on your computers. Let's get that done as soon as possible, and then I'll get that lecture quiz fixed so you can get in there and take that quiz before Wednesday at 10 p.m. And then the rest of this week, we're in week 2, starting cell structure and function. So there's the homework at the Pearson website for lab and lecture. You have the videos out there to learn the material. Then there's a lab quiz that's due next Tuesday and a lecture quiz next Wednesday for the week 2 material. So it's a repetitive pattern. Homework on Mondays, lab quiz on Tuesday, lecture quiz on Wednesday of the following week that these folders are open. So what we're testing on this Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is last week's material. So you've had that available to you since last Monday to look at and review and study. So hopefully you're not just starting the folder this week, because that means that you spent a whole week not getting into our material, and that's not going to set you up for success in the course. You really need to work through the material the week that it's available, and then those due dates are the following Monday and Tuesday. All right, well, have a great rest of your day, and I will be available if you have any questions. Thank you.